Hi everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to start out by expressing my gratitude, my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you. I'm embarrassed and a little ashamed to say that I put off grading the first video submissions. I was busy. I wasn't just twiddling my thumbs. I've been super busy, but I put it off because I was concerned about what I was going to see, and I've just been feeling like a lot of people, a lack of control over my surroundings and being able to guide my students and, read the body language and converse with you and answer your questions and help you. And so I was concerned, and shame on me because they were so good. Thank you for your work and for your dedication. You all inspire me. I mean it. You can be rolling your eyes right now, but I still mean it. Your resilience and flexibility, adaptability, it inspires me, truly. So thank you for that. You're killing it across the board, so thanks. You don't have an assignment due next Monday because test 2 is due next Wednesday, April 15th. So the plan is between today and this Wednesday, I'm going to split up the test requirements about half and half. And then next Monday, there will be no video because I want to hold an open office hour for you to jump on and ask questions. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get to it. I made a small change since my last week video. I had put on there that I wanted major, natural, harmonic, and melodic minor for the test. Because you're recording all this, I'm trying to streamline a little bit. So for this test, it's been updated on Canvas, you're only going to be required to do the major and the harmonic minor scales for the test. After the test, going into the final, we'll focus on melodic minor. So I'm splitting it up that way just to make sure I'm setting you up to really do what we've worked on. So major and harmonic minor. If you want, I'm going to write on there too, if you want to go ahead and give me all 3 minors, happy to give you extra credit, but that's all I'm requiring. So what I'm going to do is just talk through fingering stuff, and then I'm going to go ahead and just play through each of the harmonic minor scales. You can use this as an opportunity to just practice them, okay? We've done the majors and you have a link for the majors, so I'm not going to hit those today. Okay, so C, D, E, F, G, and A, harmonic minor. So if you look at page 348 in your appendix, you have all the fingerings. The only scale out of what is required for you that has a different fingering is F minor, F major, and F minor. You go to finger 4. Everything else is C major fingering. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just go through each of these harmonic minor scales, and you can play with me, pause, skip, whatever you want. Okay, C harmonic minor. C natural minor uses 3 flats. B, E, A. I raise the 7th, B natural. I'm going to use my right hand. 3 and 4 Okay, D harmonic minor. I'm going to use my left hand, just going to alternate. D harmonic minor, D natural minor uses 1 flat, B flat, plus the raised 7th is C sharp. E harmonic minor. E natural minor uses 1 sharp, F sharp. The raised 7th is D sharp. the right hand. The left hand is normal, so I'm actually going to go ahead and break my pattern and do my right hand. F natural minor has 4 flats. Here the raised 7 is E. So I'm going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, G harmonic minor. G natural minor uses 2 flats, B flat, E flat. Our raised 7 is F sharp. Last one, everyone's favorite, A harmonic minor. A natural minor uses no sharps or flats. The raised 7 is G. Okay, I also wanted to talk really quickly about the chord progression. So we focused on the major chord progression. For this test, you will need to do the minor chord progression. So remember, you'll have a minor 1, a minor 4, but then the 5, 7, the dominant 7, we steal from the major key. So I'm going to use A minor as an example, but you should be practicing it in every key. So A minor, the 4 is D minor, back down, 5, 7, still the bottom note goes down a half step for E7. So for the test, I'm going to release like the day before or 2 days before, specifically what scale group I'm going to want you to do, and you're not going to have to record every single scale. I will let you know what you have to do. Okay, go ahead and turn to page 263. This is our repertoire piece. We're going to mark it up and block it today. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is scan through first and see if you can analyze the lines as far as A prime, B. So you should pause it right now and go ahead and analyze the piece line by line. So hopefully what you discovered is that we have 2 identical A lines. Line 1 and line 3 are A. Since line 2 is not the same, we're going to call that B. And you have 2 decisions for the 4th line. Some people might want to call the 4th line B prime because it starts the same as line 2. For me, it's so different that I would probably call it C. So I would probably say A, B, A, C, but also A, B, A, B prime would be acceptable. So what I want you to look at in the right hand is the structure of how the melody is created. So in every single measure, without fail, you see a skip up of some size and then stepping down. So at this point, I would want you to pause the video and go through, and you may not mark them all because that might just be too much visually, but go through and analyze the intervals between the first and the second note of each right hand measure. So what you'll discover is we have 6th, next measure 7th, 6th, 5th. So you'll want to do that with me. Thumb on G, pinky on E, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th. And that's going to be the same as line 3. Now let's look at line 2. We move down to thumb on E, 6th, 5th, and this gets people. This is a tritone, F sharp to C. So that would be a place to isolate. And then line 4, 6th, keep that same hand position and jump up to 6th with A on bottom, and then 5th. So I would go through and block the first 2 right hand notes all the way through. Then what I would say is actually block that same right hand interval and add in the left hand. So scan through and find what your left hand is. We have lots of thirds. 5th, move down, thirds, a 7th in the 7th measure. Line 4, 3rd, 6th, 7th, 3rd. I know I just went through that pretty quickly. I'm trying to show you my thought process of how I practice this. So you might pause it and just kind of touch through the left hand. Now I'm going to play through the whole example, playing the left hand as written and blocking just the first 2 right hand notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor. 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. This is going to sound strange. 3, 4, 5, 6. Line 3. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. A minor. 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay, so I would do that for a while. And then I would go ahead and start adding in the right hand as written. I'm actually going to wait to play that until Wednesday's video, because at the end of Wednesday's video, I'm going to do like a run through of what the test will look like, so you have a video to practice with. So you're welcome to play it as written, but I would expect you to have worked on these steps by Wednesday. So that's it for today. Wednesday we're going to go over the harmonization on 251 and do a model of the test. Please reach out with questions, and I hope you're all happy and healthy and doing well. Have a good one.